Welcome to my today's online class. I am Shaheen Ahmed Khan, Senior Teacher English, St. Gregory's High School and College, Dhaka. Today I am going to take a class for the students of class 5 on English first paper, Unit 12, lessons 1 to 4. Look at the picture and say what you see in it. This is a picture of Saint Martin's Island. Can you guess what our today's lesson is? Today's lesson is how far is Saint Martin's? Learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to understand the new vocabulary and use them in your daily life. Read the text with correct pronunciation, stress, and intonation. Write about an interesting place in Bangladesh. Vocabulary. Waterfall. Noun. Meaning cascade. Beach. Noun. Meaning coast. Cruise. Noun. Meaning trip. Wonderful. Adjective. Meaning excellent. Lay. Verb. Meaning to produce X out of an animal's body. Tourist. Noun. Meaning traveler. Coral. Noun. A coral is a hard, colorful substance made of bones of very small creatures at the bottom of the sea. These are the pictures of main tourist spots in Bangladesh. Madhopkundu Waterfall, Cox's Bazar Sea Beach, Sri Mongol Tea Garden and Saint Martin's Island. This is a dialogue between Andy and Tomal. Andy wants to know from Tomal about the main tourist spots in Bangladesh. Andy says to Tomal that he visited Cox's Bazar the last month. Tomal says to Andy that Cox's Bazar is the most popular tourist spot in Bangladesh. Andy says to Tomal that he wants to see some new places this time. Then Tomal suggests Andy to visit the tea gardens of Sri Mongol, waterfalls of Madhopkundu and Saint Martin's Island. In this dialogue, Andy wants to know from Tomal about the speciality of Saint Martin's Island. Tomal informs Andy that Saint Martin's Island is an island in the Bay of Bengal and it is the only coral island in Bangladesh. He suggests Andy to see coral in different shapes and colors and informs Andy that the water in the Bay of Bengal is very clean and blue. Tomal also suggests Andy to see the turtles on the island. The turtles make their nests on the beach and then they lay their eggs in them. He also talks about taking a day cruise on a wooden boat or sea truck. This is an exercise on true false. Write T for true and F for false. Question number 1. Tomal visited Cox's Bazar last month. Question number 2. Saint Martin's Island is a special place. Question number 3. Sri Mongol has some waterfalls. Question number 4. Andy likes to see some new places. Question number 5. There are some tea gardens in Madhopkundo. I am going to give you time to think and write down the answers. I hope by this time you have written the answers. Now check your answers. Question number 1. Tomal visited Cox's Bazar last month. False. Question number 2. Saint Martin's Island is a special place. True. Question number 3. Sri Mongol has some waterfalls. False. Question number 4. Andy likes to see some new places. True. 5. There are some tea gardens in Madhopkundo. False. This is an exercise on fill in the blanks. Question number 1. There are many dash spots in our country. Question number 2. These places are very dash. Question number 3. Sri Mongol is a place where dash grows. Question number 4. Madhopkundo is famous for dash. Question number 5. Saint Martin's is a dash island. I am going to give you time to think and write down the answers. I hope by this time you have written the answers. Now check your answers. Question number 1. There are many tourist spots in our country. Question number 2. These places are very popular. Question number 3. Sri Mongol is a place where tea grows. Question number 4. Madhopkundu is famous for waterfalls. Question number 5. Saint Martin's is a coral island. Answer the questions. Question number 1. What is the most popular tourist spot in Bangladesh? Question number 2. Where are wonderful waterfalls in Bangladesh? Question number 3. Write the names of some tourist spots in Bangladesh. I am going to give you time to think and write down your answers. I hope by this time you have written the answers. Now check the answers. Question number 1. What is the most popular tourist spot in Bangladesh? Answer. Cox's Bazar is the most popular tourist spot in Bangladesh. Question number 2. Where are wonderful waterfalls in Bangladesh? Answer. There are some waterfalls at Madhopkundu. Question number 3. Write the names of some tourist spots in Bangladesh. Answer. Cox's Bazar Sea Beach, St. Martin's Island, Sri Mongol Tea Garden and Madhopkundu waterfalls etc. are some tourist spots in Bangladesh. Your homework will be to write a short composition on the St. Martin's Island. Write at least 5 sentences to the topic. Remember to use capital letters, punctuation, correct spelling and sentence structure. That's the end of today's class. I hope you have enjoyed and understood today's class. Wish your best of luck. Thank you very much for watching my today's class. See you later.